Hi everyone. The big question is what is observability and why do we need it? Now, coming to the concept, earlier back in days, we used to check the logs using on any of the system. We log into the server and check the logs. That is more of the monitoring kind of a concept where we know what is going wrong and then we try to figure out what we fix it out of to come out of that issue. Now systems are not that simple. It is not uh, working in a one system. Now it is distributed system. You have a multiple servers working together, and it's not just that it's multiple servers working together, it is changing the state very fast. It is created and disposed very fast as per the demand, and that is more of the container kind of environments where you don't have any control on creating and disposing the servers. Now in these kind of environments it becomes very difficult to log into the server and see what's going on in that server. Even to your frank, you don't know what server the requests are going to. So in that kind of environment we need some system which can keep monitoring the system and give us the data what's going on. And it's not just that we want to monitor the system and want to get the data, we also want the system health even before the error occurs. So in terms of the observability, what we are trying to find out is not just that what went wrong, we try to find out why it went wrong. Okay, so it traveled a long journey of maturity in past more than 10 years. Now we are trying to find out even before the server is going wrong that something may go wrong on with the server. And there are multiple ways we try to find out, and that is the example of the microservices. That's where the observability got its popularity. But now since the systems are changing very fast and the IT is getting into different domains, the observability is not limited only to the microservices. It is getting into the AI ML. You can see the different chat models or the automation of the models where we call it as a simple chat model where you give the question and you get the answer, as well as it goes beyond it that you talk about the agentic framework. Now in there also observability makes a lot of difference, and observability is having a huge presence in that area. It makes sure that okay, what is the response time of the answer for the question what you are given, what is the latency, where to place the server. Those kind of questions need to be answered by the different frameworks of the observability IoT systems. Let's say your device is deployed in certain location. It may be the moving car, or it may be the temperature sensor, it may be the wind speed you are monitoring or weather you are monitoring. Everywhere you need to monitor the health of the devices which is sitting on the remote, health of the system which is running, so no one is going to log in and check the health of the system. It need to be collecting the data, huge amount of collecting the data and giving you the reports. And that's how your observability as a whole, the system, it works. And not even somebody is supposed to sit and monitor the systems. It should notify even before something is about to go wrong. Okay, so IoT system is another data pipelines. Your data processing, let's say AI ML data is getting trained and it takes more than 4 to 6 months of time to train some data. So your observability is a system which keep monitoring those background running jobs and see that everything is getting trained properly and nothing fails in between. Your stream processing, your gaming, e-commerce, CDN, and multimedia kind of data databases which works 24/7 all the time, right? So observability plays a big role in those use cases or those kind of a businesses. It is a great topic, or it's a topic where a lot to be covered, and this is some, whichever profile you work within the organization, this is one concept which is must to have or good to have kind of a concept in the knowledge base, in the portfolio. So we can go in very detail of each and every concept. Stay connected and keep asking the questions. Thank you.